إنما Shtreimel a flutter above, and the curse is kissed. Twigs like divine, it weaves in the beaver, eggs in the mink. My Shtreimel now a cradle, no time to think. Bobby screams, "Hi!" The neighbors all stare. The droppings on velvet, a feathered nightmare. Bird nest on my Shtreimel, feathers in the feral fate. Bird nest on my Shtreimel, hatched horrors, it's too late. Bird nest on my Shtreimel, chicks chirp the chamarron. Bird nest on my Shtreimel, Baruch Hashem. This can't go on. I shimmy, but the nest holds tight. Pigeons join the party in the dead of night. Robbie's rabbi laughs, it's a sign from above. But the eggs crack open, spilling dip of love. Pork the butcher offers to clear them away, but the birds back, now I'm their prey. In the shul they whisper, his hat is unclean. No minion for the man with the avian scene. The nest grows taller, blocking out the light. A feathered Gehenna on my head tonight. Shtreimel higher, frailing with the feathers, harder with the choir. Spin till the eggs roll and the twigs fly free. Bird nest on my Shtreimel, it's nesting in me. Bird nest on my Shtreimel, eternal perch of doom. Bird nest on my Shtreimel, hatched in the steads of gloom. Bird nest on my Shtreimel, when the Mashiach comes, he'll shoo them away. Bird nest on my Shtreimel, till then I pray. The nest remains.